Hi, hello friends, me Dr. Sai Chandra, orthopedic surgeon. In this video I am going to talk about what is the secret success for getting into PG. Many students who dream to become a radiologist or gastro or whatever, with their full efforts they prepare. Ultimately they fumble at the exam. I mean, they couldn't make it. Somehow they could not get the branch, whatever their dream. They compare with others. Some of the students they take it in a very lighter way. They prepare for the second time. Some students they take extreme step. They can't digest the failure. Some always they compare with others. They think that fellow has got the PG seat in the first attempt. I could not get. This is the end of my life. Some people think in that way. Some people they go back. They see their faults, whether they have got any mistake while preparation, or whether the coaching is. Whether there is any lag in the coaching or any lag in the preparation, they go back and they check their mistakes. So my motto or my intention of making this video is, in my personal opinion, I have seen few of my friends who could not get seat in the first attempt, who got in the second attempt. Okay, who got seat in the first attempt, who got their desired branch, and not doing so great now. And few friends who got their desired branch in the first attempt and who is doing really well in the practice also. Okay, so becoming doctor is a initial step to enter into this profession. I mean, joining MBBS. So once you get MBBS seat, many people think, yeah, you can relax in life, which is not the truth. You can't relax. Okay, there is no time for relaxation in MBBS. Frankly speaking, every day you have to learn something. Every day is a new job to be done. Every patient is a new patient. It is not like a Xerox machine. It's not like a 2 2s or 4 or. It's not a regular thing what you do each and every day. In each and every patient you have to use your skills. Okay, you have to talk with the patient, you have to examine the patient, you have to come to a diagnosis. If you are in radiology, you have to see the scan. Each and every scan is important scan. You can't take things for granted. If you come to medicine, you have to, for example, if you are in cardiology, you have to auscultate the heart and see. Each and every patient deserves, each and every patient you have to give your own time. You have to come to a conclusion. Okay. So many people think, as they show in the films, it is not MBBS. Once you get the MBBS seat, it is not cakewalk. Okay. The real struggle happens only once you come out with your degrees. Okay. My intention to make this video is, don't get disheartened if you don't get the branch of your choice. Okay, keep trying for the second time. Okay, if your financial, if there are no financial constraints for you, you can prepare for the third time also. Okay, and ultimately you are the judge. Someone cannot judge you. If you really think joining radiology or joining your dream branch like general medicine, orthopedics, pediatrics, it means a more for you. If you think it is very important, yeah, you can read one more time. Okay, you can prepare for one more year. If you think it is not going to make huge difference in your practice, or branch is not the matter, or if you think college is going to matter you a lot, then you need not prepare for the second time or third time. Okay, friends. And last, what I want to tell is, don't compare yourself with some other guy. Okay, like many people told earlier. Okay, you cannot compare apple with orange. Okay, Each kid is different, each flower is different. Like that, you are different from some other guy. Okay, you can if some other guy got good rank, it doesn't mean he is great and you are a waste fellow. Okay, if you read one more time, you will get it. If you are really interested, follow your passion. Ultimately, follow your passion. Don't compare with others. See that there are no mistakes from your side. Prepare for the exam wholeheartedly. Give your best. One thing what they tell is, okay, do your best, prepare for the worst. Okay, friends. So if you think there is some lag, there is some problem at preparation, see that there is no problem next time. Majority of the students, they cannot perform extraordinarily in the first attempt. That is fact. Many of them take second attempt. So taking second attempt is not a crime. It is a common thing to crack PG exam or even the MBBS exam. And be positive. Always be happy. Don't be negative. Don't associate with negative friends. Be positive. Be happy. Be with positive attitude friends. Discuss the good things. Prepare a list of those things what you forget frequently so that you will not forget in the main exam. Okay. Keep updating yourself. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, friends. So don't worry. Don't compare with other guys. Be happy. I hope this video is helpful to you. Keep going. Bye bye.